Hello guys, just let me know if you guys could hear me. Yeah. Can you hear me? Just let me know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, just watching and observing the charts, I have anticipated a short position in here. The way it was showing rejection, and I'm looking for the market to come down to this low if it has a potential to do this. I have not taken a trade. This is just 9:37. Market has just opened 7 minutes. There could be volatility upside, downside. I did not want to chase the market just after the opening. I wanted to see how market will perform in these kind of scenarios on charts. Just anticipated a short. I went for a short as well. Look at this. I went for a short as well on demo, but I closed the that trade at break even. I don't know. It was in a small profit or small loss. I don't know. I didn't even check the. It was small loss. These are the two trades I've taken today. Oh my goodness. All of those trades was not a good trades. The reason is that these previous two trades I was trading in here for the market to go toward upward charge. It was very slow, very choppy before the opening value do happened, uh, and this was just after the opening. So the time was not there. Element of time was not there. I was just pushing the buttons. And look at this. Like, how would you feel at this point? Just going for a short in here, just after the opening, looking for all of those lows, but you got stopped out. That's how this market is rigged. As you have to wait for the market to give you a price action, give you a clear indication which way it wants to go. Overall, I would say that I'm leaning bullish on a market at the moment, anticipating or expecting for the market to give me at least this high 93,300, or this is monthly. This I'm more of like in a speculation. Maybe this could give us this one as well, 94,400. In that case scenario, I wanted to see it should have to keep this 4 hour time frame fairly gap on. So far, I wanted to see my to look at this. I have to anticipate that this could be our bottom. We have to still have a couple of now here. Overall, I'm bullish. By the way, I wanted to see market keep this 4 hour time frame fairly gap open. This is the low, high low. Now, if we close in 5 minutes, or we close in 5 minute time frame with this candle low. So low this candle, this is 92,370. This is my bottom. This is my bottom right now. This 1 minute time frame candle, and I am anticipating or expecting from the market to continue to be bullish from here. 93,300. It could give us a 93,500, and it could give us a 94,500 as well. In that case scenario, if it has to go all the way to 94,500, maybe this 95, 96K as well. I wanted to see, really wanted to see 15-minute time frame candle, how it will perform. It should have to create fair value gaps, keep those fair value gaps open, never look back. 5 minute time frame as well. If you do like this, it will be great. Can I buy? Just asking myself this question. I cannot buy right now. My risk management, I do not want to put my stop loss below this low. I'll be risking too much if I buy in here. So I have to wait for entry. It could be aggressively bullish from here, man. Cannot deny. Or I can just buy. I can also do this as well. Look at this, the weight has inverted this. Could have just bought in here as well and hold. Because I was already bullish. I hope you guys could hear me. I haven't checked if you guys could hear me. Give me 93,400, man. Not to keep this value gap open, not to go below this low, not to go below this low. can I buy? 92 746.3. Look at this, man. We still have a lot of time, man. We don't need to be in a rush. I'm leaning bullish on charts, anticipating or expecting from the market to be bullish. It could give us a 94 500, could give us 96k as well from today. I will tell you, we have not discussed everything on a bigger picture time frame. I will discuss bigger picture time frame as well. Um, yeah, yeah, I cannot chase the market right now, man. I'll be risking way too much. I do not want to risk too much. I have to be taking only those trades where I will be risking a very small amount. So we have still have a lot of time. This is just 9:42. We have to be here afternoon session as well. So no need to be rush. No need to rush. Oh, you missed the move. Nope. I did not miss the move. I'm just watching and observing the charts. I'm anticipating it could be aggressively bullish. I cannot do anything. I did not want to put my stop loss below in here and then look for the highs. No, I do not want to do this. I was thinking about, can I risk this low? I was keep this fairly gap open, kept this open, went up, went up. Should have to give us this at 93. At least it should have to give us now 93 400. It is bullish, man. I'm looking for this candle now. This level should have to give me this level. Why? Because this is this monthly fair value gap, and this is also this weekly high as well. And if you could just go to monthly time frame, this is this monthly fair value gap as well. This is this monthly fair value gap. Look at this. This is the high, previous month high, December's high, and also this weekly high as well. Overall, we are leaning bearish. After all-time high, we have been going down, but we have created this monthly fair value gap and also this weekly fair value gap as well. This is this weekly high. We have been going toward upper side, remained complete sideways, choppy. Create lows very close to each other, just went up. Invert this 4-hour time frame gap. It was 4-hour time frame gap in here, and throughout the weekend, if you could go to daily candles on weekly time frame, these are bullish candles. Saturday, Sunday, it was bullish. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Just keep an eye on charts. This could have been a trade, your trade, man, already. Just buying in here, anticipating it should have to keep this value gap open. We are already bullish, that's why. Should have to keep this, just putting a stop loss just below this low, just below this previous candle low. Buying in here, looking for just 93 300. This is a great trade. We just, I would say that we just tilted for a while to other side, and then look at this market what has done in here. This is already a 3-hour trade. You're already done. This is just a start of this session, and then you're already done, man. With this session, you don't need to be. We don't need these alerts further away for now. So you're done with this trade, man. You have to be done with this trade. You have to close the trade. And I'm further anticipating or expecting for the market to give me this 94,500 from here. It could take its time. This is not just 947, so you have to believe me, man. And I will be keeping an eye on 15-minute time frame as well in here. Look at this. So there's one more reason why I'm bullish right now. I really want to discuss with you guys. This bearish divergence, man. This is 15-minute time frame, but on 1 hour time frame. If you could see interfere from this range to this high, these highs. This is a clear weakness on RSI, yeah, but price is still going up and up. So either way, after making a high above the previous high, if market show rejection come down, the previous low is this one, major low. Even though if market come down to this 4-hour time fairly gap as well, failed to go down below the previous low, I will anticipate this is invalid bearish divergence and it has to go up. The same thing I wanted to see on 5 minute, 15 minute. Look at this 15-minute time frame. It has make a high above the previous high. Our side is showing weakness. So these are this is the previous low. This is the previous low. This is the previous low. I wanted to see if this bearish divergence is valid. Let me go to this chart. I want to see on 5. Look at this. Why would you not close your position? Why would you not take profit at this range, man? What do you want? This is already a great trade. And I just wanted to see 5 minute time frame because we have made a high above the. Look at this weakness on 5 minute time frame as well. I'm still anticipating this is my bottom. So it is creating this bearish divergence. It means it has to go down. This is our top. This should be our top. If this bearish divergence is valid. If this is not invalid, it should have to remain sideways or maybe come back down, not to go below this low. And then it should have to continue to be. I will be anticipating the previous highs not at the top. Market should have to continue to be bullish from here to knock the previous high, maybe continuation toward upper side. So just watching right now, I would say that this could have been a good. We do anticipate a shocked position in here. I did not take the trade. It was just after the opening. Okay, two went up quite aggressively. When we got this fairly gap, I was like, It should have to keep this value gap open, not to go below this low, not to go below this low. Give me all of those local highs and this high. And I was like, can I buy putting my stop loss at this range? To just run there. I was like, no, I cannot. It was just quite aggressive all the way to the upper side. You cannot, because your stop loss is not defined. At this point, your stop loss, putting a stop loss all the way in here, I will not do that. So I have to sit still. And as it has created high above the previous high, and our side is showing weakness on 5 minute time frame, I still believe, look at this, I still believe it could disrupt the previous high and continue to be bullish to this range as well. Can I buy right now? My stop loss will be below this low. 95, 500, 94, 500. Can I buy right now? My stop loss will be below this low. Because it has inverted this early gap. Anticipating a long position here, man. Stop loss will be below this low. Looking for those highs. This low, because it has inverted this early gap. We are creating this bearish reference. We do went down, but failed to go down below the previous low. This is my bottom. I will be risking low. This is 133. Just below this low, I wanted to put my stop loss. So my stop loss is defined. My target is defined. But I'm just waiting. Or should I have to wait, because it is possible we could take some. Because we have a news as well coming up at 3 p.m. Yeah, because they have a news as well coming up at 3 p.m. This one. And can I trade news because of the news market could be bullish? I've seen sometimes it happens. Possible. I'm anticipating this is my bottom now. Yeah, this can be a bottom. Cannot look at this 3 minute time frame. Can I just buy? I will be confident if market. Can I just buy for stop loss below this low now? No, your stop loss should be below this low now. You can buy on a demo. Market should have to be bullish from here. Our entry is in here. Looking for this level, man. You should have to give me this level, man. Market is aggressively bullish, by the way. I think so. I should have to wait for 4 minutes. You can put your stop loss to 62.3. Below. I have two options that I can just buy, trade the news because of the news anticipate it could be bullish. This is a speculation, may play it out, may not. Or I just wait for the news. I have seen a couple of many times because of the news market to play it out. So we have a 3 minutes left for hourly 5, 13, 15 minute FM kind of closes. 3 minute FM is already telling me it wants to go to the upper side. Your stop loss is fine. Can I just buy? You should have to wait for 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Because you don't know, because of the news, anything can happen. Like, could go down, then go up, could go up, then go down. You don't know. Because of the news, maybe it could just get rid of wick and closed above. Then be bullish as well. We have to wait for news. This news. I don't know if this news has a quite a bit of impact on price action. Have this 1 minute left. So it's 10 o'clock now. Let's see if we have volatility. This is the numbers is out, man. Can I buy? Look at this, man. I believe so. It has to go to this side, man. I believe so. It has to. If not this, at least this area. Like, I believe so. I don't think so. This is our top, man. High 599.6. I don't think so. This is our top, man. 650, man. Oh, oh man, I got subbed out again on demo. Oh shit, I have to be really trading demo, man. I have to take serious. So stopped out again, man, on demo. I have to be very careful trading on demo as well. And I actually did not want to even pay attention into the numbers, the tag of money. I know I can risk just under 1% or 1.5. That's it. And just wanted to focus on that and focus on to improve my R multiple. That's it. How can I improve that? Look at this. If this is your bottom, this is my bottom now. Can I buy 180? Now, I prefer to trade the kind of price action, and I'm confident on certain levels or certain lows or the certain highs on a price action when market is like aggressively bullish or aggressively bearish, and it do trade very close to the, for example, we are going up, so trade very close to the previous low, not to go below this low. Again go up, trade very close to the previous low, not to go below this low. Again go up, create very close to the, trade very close to the previous low, not to go below the previous low. I'm confident to take these kind of trades. Yeah, it has to go up. That's why it is just going down to scare you. And the same thing if we could see in here. I wanted to see now. I'm anticipating this is my bottom, and we do come down this red candle, but let's see how, if we have a potential to be bearish from here. I don't know. This is the 650 now. I'm not really confident on this. I should have to go to the upper side, man. I don't think so. This is our top. I don't think so. This is our top, man. Maybe because this is just a new hourly candle as well we are forming. Market could remain a little bit of more of like yeah, could spend some time as well at this range. That's why this is also possible. I'm not in a rush. Do not want to push irrational buttons on my real account. On demo I'm doing that, but I should not be doing on demo as well. um just sitting still. I know how much I can risk until unless I'm, look at this. I'm anticipating this in my bottom. The low of this candle is 93 180. Can I buy? I can buy now. Element of time is there. I'm not confident on the previous side. We're already going up. I don't think so. This is a top. We are already bullish. Our low is defined. If it has to be aggressively bullish from here, this is the low. If it trade very close to this low, fail to go down. I can risk this, by the way. Low is 180, by the way. It is, which is far. Oh, we went for a long position in here. My surplus is 93 180. Risking way 5%, man. Cannot risk that. This is not a good trade, man. Fuck you, really. Was risking way too much, 5%. This is bad trading, man. Oh, have to be leery, man. Have to be leery pushing the buttons. You cannot push irrational buttons in here. Look at this. Just enter trade was out in at the break even. A loss. It was a loss. It was a loss. Oh shit, 13. My goodness. Did not even risk that. $450. 332. So yeah, we took a trade in here. I was like, you can't put your stop loss below this low. I was not really confident. I was risking way too much. I just when this candle was going down, I just closed around about in here 332 in here. We enter 450. But look at this, we risk too much now. Okay. So I have to be leery, man, pushing the buttons. That can no, you cannot push irrational buttons. I'm still bullish. Still, this is my low. This could be my low. It's 10 or 9. Can I anticipate this could be my bottom? And it should have to invert this 1 minute actual failure gap. I'm anticipating this is my bottom. So I have to be very careful right now because all of the anticipation we have done till now, all of the trades we have taken on demo, on real money, did not play it out. So these are already a sign. I have to be very leery trading this market. I'm anticipating that this could be my bottom, and putting my stop loss below this low. Look for all of those highs. Let's see if it has a potential to play it out. I did not want to push irrational buttons. I hope you guys could understand. I hope you guys could hear me, by the way. Uh, can I buy? I'm anticipating this is my bottom. We have inverted this 1 minute time figure, not confident on the previous highs, 650. And I want to see after that continuation toward upper side to this high. Because we're bullish. Yeah. Look at this, the way it has opened on the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is fine. This is good. Would you anticipate that trade? But I did not take that trade. Just watching and observing. Just we should have to be content with this high, by the way. Uh, yeah, this is the question. If, for example, you have taken a trade in here, would you hold for all of these highs, or do you think market will keep this high and then go down as well? This is also possible. Cannot deny. Just anticipating if market has a potential to continue to be bullish to give me 94.5. Have to be leery, man. We have already taken a trade, already stopped out, so I do not like to push irrational buttons, and I do not like to take five trades, seven trades, eight trades in a day. No, especially if you got stopped out twice, done for a day. I do not want to trade too much. Maybe I'll be closing the charts. So it will be great if market keep this Waverly gap open. This is a lower high. I want to see 15-minute time frame. I'm not confident. Look at this, though. It has opened, by the way. You should have to close. You should have to close your trade, man, in here. Just a trade. Entering in here, risking quite a bit, and taking profit in here. 1-1, 2-hour trade. And then it went up. You put a surplus there. 14-hour. So far, I'm not really confident to take any kind of trade, man. So I just have to be sitting still. Caffeine intake is going up. No life. There's so many things going on, man, in life. Bro, just focus on trading, man. Yo, look at this, man. How would you feel at this point if you have not closed your trade in here? Again, anticipated a trade. Again, did not play it out. Have to be leery, man, pushing the buttons. I do not want to push irrational buttons. This is bearish divergence, man. So this is the low, man. If market can rate this high, come back down, did not want down below this low, I will be looking to buy. But so far, not buying. And we have this 4 hour time frame close at 36 as well. After 36 minutes. Just a minute. On 15-minute time frame. As long as we're trading above this high, even though if market make a retest, fail to go down below this low, I will be still looking to buy. No, so far not doing anything. And I did not want to put my emphasis on, because I put so much emphasis on irrational things, which is I did not want to on, yeah. But these next 3 months is very crucial for me in my life, like very crucial. I can see that if I can be able to make it, it's just these 3 months, this month, this week, today. It's very crucial to me. Very crucial to me. Pretty much very crucial to me. Sorry guys, I just have to make a call, which is important call I have to make. I have to call my company for give me jobs. Give me a job. Let me make a quick call. Sorry guys, I have to be pretty much very late today. I did not want to. It is fine, man. If you did not get a trade, I did not want to put my emphasis to put my attentions into the element of money, like how much money I have in my account. My goal is to be a better trader. I risk a very small amount. Um, yeah, look for if I can be able to get a two or three, four trades in a week, a very good trade, or more $1,000 trades, I'm done for the week, man. Like, and my goal overall is to be like have enough capital so I do not have to like make enough money so I do not have to work for these jobs and all that stuff. And that's right now I would tell you guys like everything is going quite quite hard. Quite hard. They have so much expectation on me right now. My mom and my dad, they're like, oh, and then these things like I'm in that stage in my life like I really have to do this right now. If I have to do this, if these are the three, these are the this is the time, man. Like I have to, man. I have to. At a crucial point in my life, I would say, if I can be after marriage, all the stuff, it is so hard to be. I don't want. That's why I'm not like I can see that, man. I can see that like everybody's willing to marry my home girl. Like my family, everybody insisting. My dad, everybody is insisting. My dad to. Oh, what about him? Or what about when? Like all that stuff, man. I'm not just telling them, please give me time. Please give me time. So it is already 3 years. I'm telling them give me time, but right now these 3 4 months, man, it's very important to me, man. If I can be able to make myself capable enough to put my living into the trading, it will be great. This week, this is my goal of making. I need $1,000 in a 1 month for to put my living into the trading. If I look into myself like, and making $1,000 is not difficult. It's not difficult in trading, but this is the thing. Like first $1,000 will be hard. First 10K will be hard. First 100K will be hard, and first a million will be hard. First 10 million will be hard. This is the same thing. This is reality. And the same thing like I'm on a stage like first 1,000 is hard, and I have to go all in for that. Look at this, it is failed to go down below these 5 minute time frame lows, still going up. So far I'm not really confident to push any kind of. This is 30 minute time frame value gap. Market has kept it open, which is great. 93K. Where is this 30 minute time frame value gap? I wanted to highlight this. This is this 30 minute. It will be great if market keep this value gap open. 15 minute time frame we have nothing. Yeah. Even though if we fail to go above, we come down to this range. I wanted to see a bullish price action. It will be great if market keep this high or maybe create another high, then come down. And this is our low. I will be confident to go for a buy in here if we left the current high in this range. The reason is it will be a bearish divergence, a clean bearish divergence, and this will be low. and I wanted to see if and I'll be watching and observing that, like, if this is my bottom, fail to go down below this low, and I will be looking um for to trade through to invalidate this bearish divergence for upward side to the previous highs, maybe continuation toward upward side. So far, I'm not really confident. Could be just going up from here toward upper side. Cannot do anything. So I've started watching the charts in here today. In here, was bullish, took a trade, went down on demo. Did not take this trade, took another trade as well. Got stopped out on demo as well. Do come down. Um, go for a short again at this range. Go went for a short. Got stopped out again on demo. Was anticipating a buy. Was quite aggressive as well toward upper side. Just went up, just watch and observe. And when it got this high in here, I was like, low in here, I was like, yeah, it is. If it could give me, if it is aggressively bullish, aggressively bullish, yeah, my stop loss is there. Went up, did not went up. So I stopped out again at this range. So have to be leery trading right now. It's fine. It's fine if you got stopped out in a day. It's fine. It's not a big, as long as you risking not too much, man. You're fine. Yep, it is going up. Let's see. Let's anticipate if it could give us this high and then 94,500. I'm looking for. I am pretty much in content with this price action as well. Slow, steady, choppy price action at this range on a bigger picture time frame. And I'm not confident on the way we have opened as well today. This is weekly open, and this is daily open as well. We could be just creating lower high, just creating lower high, just creating lower high, and then not to go above this high. This is monthly fairly gap high. Just roll down as well. Coming back inside the weekly fairly gap. This is also the value area high of the range as well. Could be going all the way toward low levels, knocking all of those lows as well. I may be looking to go for a swing short as well at this range if it failed to go above this high. The second possibility could go toward upper side. Oops, what happened? The second possibility. This is the answer. I'm about to tell you guys. Like, will it go will it go down this week? Let me tell you guys. This is the second possibility. Like, this is the answer to your question, bro. Who's this guy? This is I don't know, Banu something. Um, is possibility first is, as we're bearish on a bigger picture time frame, we should have to keep this monthly fairly gap open, which is this monthly high, and we have to go down from here. In that case scenario, I'm not confident on the way on today we have opened and then gone up. It should have to create higher low at this range. And if you go to shorter term time frame, trading slow, sideways, choppy at this range, we could just create higher low and then roll down as well. And the second possibility is maybe it has to go all the way to the upper side to this monthly fairly gap. This is also a weekly fairly gap as well. At this range, it has to create higher low on bigger picture time frame, then go down as well. This is also possible as well. So these are the two possibilities I am anticipating or expecting from the market it could do this week, whole week. Going down from here toward low levels, not to go above this high, is the sign that it may not go above this high, is slow down choppy price action at this range. The way you look at this, how many days it spent at this range? 4 days, 3 days, and then went down. This will be your sign. And it is also possible that maybe it just has to be bullish today. Tomorrow it opened, failed to go above. It closed like this with a wick, and tomorrow it just went up, failed to go above the wick, and then went down as well. This is also possible as well. Because this is also weekly fair value gap high as well. This weekly low is the weekly fair value gap. Coming back inside this weekly fair value gap is already, it could be a sign as well we can go down from here. And the other thing, like it may not have to go toward upper side and then go down, is this value area half the range as well. Come back inside this weekly fair value gap, value area half the range as well. We could be coming down all the way to knocking all of those lows, maybe these lows as well. This is the thing I am in a mode of like anticipating or expecting from the market. And for example, if it has to go toward upper side to knock this high, maybe knock this high as well, it should have to continue to be bullish from here. This local trend of the market is going toward upper side. Okay. And we have inverted this 4 hour time frame fairly gap, create 4 hour time frame fairly gap, just wicked inside is this. And we have, this is the 4 hour time frame fair value gap we have created as well. We are keeping this 4 hour time frame fair value gap open. This is already a sign that it wants to go toward upper side. That's why locally I'm bullish on charts. If it has to keep this fair value gap open, this is the low, this is the low, this is the low. It should not have to go below this low on 1 hour time frame. If it has to continue to be bullish to knock this high maybe. If we go to 30-minute time frame, we have this fair value gap. This is the 30-minute time frame fair value gap. So I'm anticipating it will be great if market keep this 30-minute time frame value gap open. If this is aggressively bullish, keep this value gap open tends to be bullish from here. Could we continue to be bullish from here? Possible. We cannot deny this. In that case scenario, we should not have to go below this low, not to go below this low. 3-minute time frame, we have tapped into this 3-minute time frame gap. 1-minute time frame, this you can anticipate that this is my bottom. This is my stop loss. I'm anticipating another long position in here. Not taking the trade, just anticipating. My stop loss is below this low, and I wanted to see 90 for 500 from here. Let's see if it has a potential to give me this. And it is also possible that maybe market just get lower high at this range, show rejection, then come down. While coming down, this is my bottom already. It will be creating this bearish divergence. If it come down to these ranges and fail to go down below this low, it will be creating an invalid bearish divergence if hold this area on 1 minute time frame and shorter term time frame. If it continue to hold this area, not to go below this low, I will be anticipating this bearish divergence is invalid, which could be this one, like from here high, this side to this side. If you could see in here, 5-minute time frame, if you could see on 15-minute time frame as well, you can see that. And it could be bullish from here as well. It could be doing like this as well. But so far it is going up. Just tap into this fairly gap, going up, knock this high, give me 94,500. I only know one thing. If it has to give me 95, 500, 94, 500 approximately, should not have to slow down at this range. Should have to tend to be bullish, which means it has to respect each individual 1 minute time frame PD raise. So this is this previous, if you could see in here, for 1 minute time frame fair value gap. Just tap inside this level and be bullish. Slow down, choppy, sideways at this range. We could just roll down. We have 15 minutes left for the 4 hour time frame candle close as well. In next 15-minute time frame, next 15 minute, I wanted to see it give me, should have to give me this. Now, for example, if you buy in here, your stop loss should be below this low. Just wanted to tell you guys, do not push buttons. I'm not pushing the buttons to take this trade. I have just anticipated if this could play out. Look at this. How confident are you if you took this trade and then you're looking for the highs and now Can I buy 669? Your stop loss should be below this low now. I'm anticipating this is my bottom. This is my stop loss. 15-minute after we can go to the side. 30-minute after we go. 1 hour. 93,669. We have 5-minute time from close. Your stop loss is fine. Your stop loss, you can risk that. 669. I'm asking myself, can I buy or should I have to just watch and observe? It will be great if market create high, come back down, fail to go down below this low. I will be confident to push buttons on this trade. Or can I just buy? I prefer to watch out the lows and the highs. Market should be trading very close to those lows and the lows highs, and then I prefer to watch out market trading very close to the previous low, not to go down. This would be my ideal risk management trade. So, like for example, in here, I'm anticipating this is my bottom stop loss. If market to come down, trade very close to this low, did not went down. In that case scenario, I will be confident to take this trade. Show me a sign of strength, man, in here. If it has to go up. We have already taken a trade. I'm already got stopped out on a trade, and if I took another trade, and if I got stopped out, I'm done with this session, or maybe for today's trading. Just watching and observing. Can I buy? Look at this 3 minute time frame. Can I risk this low? 760.8. I can risk this low, but I have to wait for at least a 3 minute time frame close. Candle close. This is good, by the way. Maybe it has to keep this high as soon as possible. To really be great if market just come down again. Did not run down below this low. Or give me just a wick. The wick should not be below this low. Or will be confident. Can I buy? Or should I have to just watch and observe? Can I buy putting my stop loss below this low? Confident. Not really confident. I'm not really confident to put my stop loss below this lows, man. Still, this is my bottom. Sitting still is the best reward. I can't take this trade. My stop loss will be just below this low. 805. But I'm not confident to put my stop loss below this low. If market just come down, create a wick in at this range, then get the bounce, I will be confident. So far, not confident to put my stop loss below these lows, and I cannot put my stop loss in here. 669. I'll be risking too much. I can just buy, put my stop loss below this low. If it went up, I cannot do anything, bro. I usually prefer to anticipate, watch, and observe. So we have anticipated, just watching and observing. Could be aggressively bullish from here. I cannot do anything about this because I'm not really confident to put my stop loss below any of those lows. Look at this bearish divergence on 15-minute time frame, and this is our previous major low. If you could watch on 15-minute time frame, when this candle close, next candle you can just buy 945, and initial stop loss you put it in there, and you can look for all of the highs on 15-minute time frame. Could be just bullish from here, just bearish as well. I can buy right now, but my suppose can be below this low. But putting my surplus below this low, I'm not confident. It's 11 o'clock. So 11 to 11:30 market remains choppy as well. Look at this. I would have been stopped out if I would have been bought in here, put my surplus there. Look at this, man. How would you feel at this point? You took a trade in here. Now you're about to stop out. Still, as long as you're trading above this high, looking to buy. I have to at least wait for 3 minute time frame candle close. This is what it is I'm anticipating now. This is my bottom, new bottom. The low of this candle, 712.4. We still have 1 minute left. Should have to invert this really gap chance to be bullish. Can I buy? I can buy this one, by the way. Or should I have to wait for this 3 minute time frame candle close? We have to be careful because it is 11 o'clock on charts. I would have been confident if this would have done by the market in the macro, which is 10:50 to 11:10. This aggressive price action would have, but 10.50 or to 11.10 market done nothing. Now this is more of like already macro going on. Look at this. And trading very close to this low, not going down below this low. This is already a sign to me that it wants to go to the upper side. And this, if you could see in here, these candles. Seven one two. Can I buy? My surplus is defined. You can go for a short in here. Surplus will be just above this. We're looking at these three lows. Because it is not going up. But this is not a trade. If we have to go up, if we went market went above these highs, we're going up. Can I buy? My surplus will be below this low. No. 770. I should have to not to buy because it is 1113 going on. Look at this low. 669. Look at this low. 712.4. Can I buy? I'm asking myself this question. My stop loss will be below this low. I'll be buying in here. Oh, you can put your stop loss just below this low as well. Oh no. Just place the order. My stop loss will be below this low. 770. 3.6% risking. Fuck you, man. Is this a good trade? Not sure. This is a bad trade because I'm risking 3%. No way, man. My stop loss is there. It's not a good trade, man. Look at this wick, man. Should have to close the above. Three 3.6%. Fuck you, man. How can you risk this? $836.3. Once it went above this, I'm putting my stop loss below this low. At least it should have to give me this. I have to be aggressive at shifting my stop loss. 836.6. 2.1%, man. Now my stop loss is there. Oh man, god. Uh, stop loss is just there now. Cut stop that. No way. So we have taken two trades. Both of them got stopped out. This is good, by the way I have shifted my stop loss. If it failed to go down below again this low, I'm buying. Look at this. Look at this, man. No way. And now I can buy. Initial stop loss I wanted to put in here. 93,764.3. For risking 4%, which is bad. She'd have to give me 94.5 from here. This has been a very slow, choppy price action going on. My surplus is there. Just keeping my stop loss. Got stopped out, got stopped out. The weight has created all of those lows. If it has to go up, should not have to go below these lows. Got stopped out, man. and I'm virtually. Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything right now. Uh, Sorry guys, I'm not saying anything right now. Oh, this is another bad trade. Another bad trade. I'm not. I'm done for trading for today, man. Already got stopped out 3 times, man. This is not a good trading going on. Was bullish, still anticipating from the market to be bullish. Uh, yeah, but so far it did not seem to me it wants to go toward opposite side. But we still have a time. This is 11:30, by the way. We still have a time. So there's only one thing I can see on charts right now, which is we don't need this. This happened on Saturday and Sunday, which is like how high market has quoted at this range, how low it has quoted at this range, which is bearish divergence on charts. I wanted to see market should have 30-minute time frame as well. Maybe 1 hour time frame as well could create this bearish divergence. This 4 hour time frame, you can anticipate from the market to be disrupting this high. You cannot deny this. Let's see. We have the possibility that it is possible from the market it could create higher high at this range in here, and market may show rejection, come back down, fail to go below this low. I will be anticipating this bearish divergence is invalid and will be looking for highs. This is the only thing I can see right now. And that may play it out. Let's see, we can only anticipate this. This is what it is I was telling myself before. Just trade your edge, bro. Just trade your edge. But I was pushing myself for going up here, but it's not went up. So far, not doing anything right now. I think I have to finish this live stream, guys. We will finish this live stream, and because I have to go get up, say prayer, and then I have to come back again as well on charts. Yeah, and we'll be watching this afternoon session. Let's see how everything went off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye.